Hey guys and girls. Okay, so second time's a charm on this one. We'll see if we don't get interrupted again. So, taking off the winter tires from my 2010 Ford Flex Eco Beast, and unfortunately, when I bought these, the woman had said they came off of Flex, and they might have come off of a later year Flex where they actually changed the hub size. These rims here, they're hub centric, so that means that they actually bear, this part here of the rim actually bears on the hub. So what I had to do was search eBay, and they actually sell these hub spacers. I can get you the size, I'll put it in the description there, but I lathered this up with anti-seize so that I can just go back in there and actually just carefully pry that off. So as you can see, that goes from a smaller to a bigger hub size so that it will bear properly and center on the lug nuts and everything. You can try, and I've done it before, you can try and throw this rim on here with the bigger hub opening and try to line it up with the studs. It works. It's not 100%. I don't like it. I did it the first year. Then I found these things on eBay, and I thought this is a way better idea. So all I did was took some anti-seize, I put it around the actual hub, put it on the inside of that hub spacer, put it back on, then I layered more anti-seize on top of that. I put it actually on the inside of this. Most of it's actually gone, or it's got dirt on it. And you can see on the backside there's just a little bit that's left. And you can see there's very little rust. I drive 120 kilometers a day, about 70 miles, I guess, per day. We use beet juice, salt, everything that's bad for your vehicles, and this rim just fell off when I removed all the lug nuts. So, good tip for you guys. If you're looking for, the actual hub spacer, I'll put the link in the bottom. I'll put the size of the hub spacer, and that way you can basically fit up any set of rims. If you bought them on eBay or Craigslist or Kijiji, it'll allow you to use them properly on your vehicle. So that's just a quick tip. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. Comments in the bottom. If you have any questions, leave them in there. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I have no problem answering questions if I can. I'm by no means an expert, but I've been doing it long enough that I'm confident with what I do. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe down there, and I put content up frequently, and we'll see you on the next one.